Today we are trying on every single shade that I received from Rhode's new summer launch. Buckle in because we received a lot of shades. I received 3 of the 4 shades for the Highlight Milk. I'm going to try them all on for you guys so you can see how each one looks on my complexion. So first we have shade 1. This is Pearly Pink. I'm sure as you guys have seen, it's basically the same exact consistency as the Glazing Milk. What I love about this is the glow is very subtle. This is very much just like a healthy, naturally glowy skin look. It's not like super shimmery and it feels amazing. Very, very hydrated. This is shade 1. Now we have shade 2. This is shade Pearly Champagne. I love these because the tint is very subtle, so I feel like I'm getting really good skincare out of it, but also a really nice tint to the skin. This is shade 2. Lastly, we have shade 3. This is shade Pearly Warm Bronze. I will definitely be wearing this over the summer a ton. I do feel like I need to be very tan to use this one, but I think I would always reach for 2. This one is perfect for my natural complexion. If you have a similar complexion to mine and you want just a really soft, natural glow, I think number 1 would be perfect for you. If you like a little bit more glow, these 2 are amazing. I'm just adding a little bit of a skin tint to kind of even out my complexion before we get into the bronzers. I received 3 of the shades of the Pocket Bronze. I have them swatched here. This is Sip, Bake, and Sunkissed. I'm going to show you guys Sip first. Got their new brush as well. I found that my favorite way to apply these is to pick it up with the brush first, and then I go in tapping motions and apply. The formula of these is very similar to the Pocket Blush. It's very beginner friendly, melts into the skin. Something I love is that these shades are not all super warm, meaning they're like really orange. I feel like they're a really good bronze shade. I'm going to show you guys on this side, Bake. This one is definitely a bit darker on me. You can see and compare the 2. I'll definitely use this one when I'm more tan. See how beautiful those blended. Okay, I went ahead and just redid my base so we could try on Sunbed, and I just realized I've been calling it Sunkissed this whole time, so my bad. I think out of the 3 that this is my favorite shade for my complexion. It just gives the most beautiful sun-kissed glow. Look at how beautiful that is. My bachelorette party is next week and I cannot wait to use these every day. The new shade of the lip shape that I received is Jump. Really pretty darker brown. I have all 3 shades of the new lip tints, starting with shade Colada. This lip combo is actually insane. It's actually perfect. Honey Mango. I don't know if you can see like the pearls in it. So beautiful. Lastly, we have Macadamia Butter. These are all like the perfect bronzy shade. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I really want to know what you guys think. Which product was your favorite out of all of these?